Hey, welcome back. Today is December 30th, Wednesday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets really quickly before diving into Celer on USDT, Tether. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Now, this is a request that's brought up to me by one of my viewers, and I wish that I could have gone to it earlier. However, I've been getting quite a bit of requests, so please bear with me then. Now, before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, so I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Let's see what exactly is going on in the market first. Now, I have never traded this coin before, nor have I really dug into it and see what exactly is going on in here. So let's zoom all the way back out to the monthly time frame and see where exactly the price action is. Is it on an uptrend, downtrend, or in reversal? Currently on the monthly time frame, I do see that the monthly 21 simple moving average, which is the blue line right here, that's kind of blocked out by my charting right now, but it is there. The 21 simple moving average is currently about 0.6 of a cent here. So the price action, the monthly candle, is still very well underneath this monthly 21 simple moving average. I do want to see that the price action on the monthly candle to actually get a close above this monthly 21 simple moving average to actually confirm that there is an uptrend coming, and the price action has to stay above the monthly 21 simple moving average. So on a macro level, it tells me that this is on an uptrend. But right now, it looks like it's in reversal. So let's take a look into the weekly time frame, a smaller time frame, and see what exactly is going on in here. On the weekly time frame, I do see that the 21 simple moving average has just crossed over the 50 simple moving average. However, it does look like it wants to cross over again. So what I do want to see here is for the weekly candle to actually break back above the weekly 21 simple moving average. So pretty much the same idea as the monthly time frame, but the weekly time frame plays out faster. So in order for me to actually get some hints of if the price action here on the monthly time frame is going to be on an uptrend, I would first like to see the weekly candle first get above its weekly 21 simple moving average and staying above the weekly 21 simple moving average as well. Let's explore the 3-day time frame here. On the 3-day time frame, I do see that there's quite a bit going on in here. The 21 is below both the 50 and the 200. So right now, it does still look like it's on a downtrend, even still on the 3-day time frame. And the price action right now is being supported, I believe, by the weekly 50 simple moving average. So very important for the weekly candle to not close below this weekly 50 simple moving average. The weekly candle closes in about 4 days here. So let's see what happens. But this is a key support I'll be looking out for. On the 3-day time frame, it's more clear that there is somewhat of a price action pattern here, a falling wedge pattern. This is what it seems like to me. 68% chance of it breaking upwards. If it actually does break upwards, let's say close to the apex of the triangle here, I have extended the upper trend line and the bottom trend line out here. So let's estimate a expected breakout point. This is January 22nd, so quite some time before the price action actually gets pretty tight here. So that would give a measured target of about I can't even read that. That's like 0.67 of a cent. Okay, that's going to be the measured target. May or may not be reached. However, of course, if it actually breaks out sooner, then we will have a higher measured target. But measured targets theory only, may or may not be reached. Keep that in mind. And on the daily time frame, it still looks like it's kind of a mixed signal here. I mean, the 21 has crossed over the 50, but looks like it's about to cross over again. So I think it's very important to actually see a breakout of this falling wedge pattern first, because the breakout, let's say if it even breaks out a lot later in January, late January, that would still give a measured target of about 0.67 of a cent. That would put the price action actually above quite a bit of these moving averages on the daily right now, at least in terms of this snapshot. That will also put the price action on top of quite a bit of these, at least all of these 3-day moving averages in terms of this snapshot of today. Let's see, that's about 0.6 of a cent there. So that will also put the price action on top of the weekly 21 simple moving average in the snapshot. And the most importantly that I'm looking at right here would be the monthly 21 simple moving average, currently at about 0.62 of a cent, okay? That will also put the price action on top of this monthly 21 simple moving average as well. So if the price action actually breaks out of this falling wedge pattern successfully and go towards its measured target, that will put the price action above quite a bit of these moving averages on the larger time frames, which will be a good sign then. But let's see if the price action is able to do that. Let's also take a look into so the RSIs on the daily time frame up is still pretty close to at least under neutral territory. So I don't see possible signs of caution in the RSI at least, but I don't see any possible bullish divergence as well. So no catalyst there telling me that the seller's momentum is slowing down at least. Now, that is basically my very short evaluation of the market right now. Let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenario. Bullish case scenario, very clear. If the price action just actually breaks out of this falling wedge pattern, like I said, 68% chance of it breaking upwards. If actually it breaks upwards a lot sooner than January 24th here, actually, late January 4th, before the price action gets really tight, then I could still expect the price action to get above quite a bit of these moving averages, like I just talked about on these higher time frames, and that would be a good sign that this would be turning around into an uptrend. That is the bullish case scenario. Bearish case scenario, very clear. If the price action actually breaks down and breaks below this bottom trend line here, this tells me I will either need to readjust and rechart this falling wedge pattern, or it could be turning into something else that's more bearish. And then the next level of support I'll be looking at here would be about, let's see, it's currently about 0.4 of a cent right now. The next level of support, if that level breaks, would be about 3.8 of a cent. Okay, 38 out of 100 of a cent. That's what I mean. And then some support about 36 of 100 of a cent. Finally, coming all the way back down to about the low right here at about 34 out of 100 of a cent here. So that's basically what I'm looking at here, and that's bullish and bearish case scenarios for Celer USDT. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.